midnight in the Twin Cities. It was 20 degrees. The wind chill was 9, with light snow.
Snow continues across portions of Minnesota. A winter storm warning remains in effect for much of central and south-central Minnesota through 6 a.m. Saturday. This includes Willmar, the Twin Cities metropolitan area, Mankato, and Albert Lea, as well as far west central Wisconsin, including New Richmond and Ellsworth. A winter weather advisory remains in effect for adjacent areas north of the Twin Cities and into west central Wisconsin through 6 a.m. Saturday morning. This includes Cambridge, Little Falls, and Eau Claire. A winter weather advisory has been posted for the remainder of the night over west central Minnesota as well. This includes Alexandria, Morris, and Montevideo. Heavier bands of snow remain across east central into south central Minnesota this evening. This trend is expected to gradually taper off and move farther to the southeast. Lighter snow will move across west central Minnesota through the remainder of the night, with additional accumulation of an inch or less. Snow will gradually taper to flurries through 6 a.m. Saturday. Snow accumulations in the warned area will range from 5 to 9 inches, with locally higher amounts. Snow accumulation in the winter weather advisory area to the north of the Twin Cities and into west central Wisconsin will generally be 2 to 5 inches. Untreated or unplowed roads remain snow-covered and slippery. Allow plenty of extra time to reach your destination. Now for the National Weather Service forecast for the Twin Cities metropolitan area. Overnight, snow. Lows around 15. Northeast winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Saturday, cloudy. A chance of snow in the morning, then a slight chance of snow in the afternoon. Storm total snow accumulation of 4 to 5 inches northeast metro, 2 to 6 to 9 inches south and west metro. Highs around 20. North winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of snow 40%. Saturday night, colder. Partly cloudy. Low 0 to 5 above zero. Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Sunday, partly cloudy. Highs around 15. Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Sunday night, partly cloudy. Low 0 to 5 above zero. Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. And now for the extended forecast. Monday and Monday night, mostly clear. Highs around 15. Lows around 5. Tuesday and Tuesday night, mostly clear. Highs around 15. Lows near 0. Wednesday and Wednesday night, partly cloudy. Highs around 15. Lows near 0. Thursday through Friday, mostly cloudy with a 20% chance of snow. Highs in the mid-20s. Lows around 15. Again, the forecast for the Twin Cities metropolitan area for overnight, snow. Storm total accumulation of 4 to 5 inches northeast metro and 5 to 9 inches across the west and south metro. Lows around 15. Northeast winds 5 to 10 miles an hour.
This is the Twin City Metropolitan Area Weather Radio Station, KAC 65, serving a portion of east central Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. We broadcast from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Chanhassen, Minnesota, on an assigned frequency of 162.55 MHz, and transmit from the KSTP television tower in St. Paul. The current time is 12:29 a.m. Central Standard Time.
At midnight in the Twin Cities, light snow was falling. The visibility was 1 mile. It was 20 degrees, or -7 degrees Celsius. The dew point was 16. The relative humidity was 84%. The wind was northeast at 9 miles an hour. The wind chill was 9. The pressure was 30.12 inches and steady. Around the metro, snow was falling, and temperatures were between 18 and 20 degrees. Around the state, snow was falling, with a temperature of 19 at Rochester, 17 at St. Cloud, and 16 at Brainerd. It was cloudy, with a temperature of 20 at Duluth, and 9 at International Falls. Across the Dakotas, at Fargo, snow was falling, with a temperature of 15. At Sioux Falls, it was cloudy, with a temperature of 23.